Once upon a time, in a village called Katsina Allah, a pregnant schoolgirl tried all she could to abort her pregnancy. Unfortunately, she couldn't. After staying with the pregnancy for 9 months, she gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. After several thoughts, she decided to throw the child away. At sunset, she carefully put the baby in a small traveling bag and threw the bag into the running waters of River Katsina Allah. A fisherman came across the bag containing the abandoned child. He opened the bag, and behold, the baby was still alive. He took the baby home to his wife. "Where have you gotten a baby? Are you sure it's a normal child?" his wife asked. He nodded and asked her not to be afraid. The fisherman and his wife were very happy. They believed God has answered their prayers because they were married for several years without a child. They named the child Mdutail, meaning the Lord loves us. Years passed. Mdutail grew into a well-behaved young boy. The fisherman noticed a lot of blessings in his family during this boy's presence. Goodness and happiness settled over his home. The fisherman was very pleased with the blessings he has received during the time of this boy. He called the attention of his wife and said to her, "This boy has brought happiness and good luck to this family. See, we have enough food and animals, and above all, you are pregnant. God has given us everything. We should be pleased to God for the gift of this first child." Meanwhile, the fisherman's wife was very unhappy for her husband's words. "My husband, how can you refer to the river boy as your first child? When you know that I am pregnant for you, I cannot allow any bastard to take away the inheritance of my real child," she said. The fisherman was very surprised to hear such words from his wife's mouth. "I will not let you destroy the peace God has restored into this family, and I don't want to hear such words from your mouth ever again," he said. Despite the warnings, the fisherman's wife was determined. "I will put an end to this first son issue," she muttered to herself. she carefully prepared a poison and put it in the boy's food. Then she called the boy and asked him, "Where have you been?" "I'm feeding the animals," the boy said. "You are just pretending to be a good boy, but you will soon know your position in this family." "Take your food," she said. "I'm not hungry," the boy said. She tried to force the boy to eat the food, but the boy refused. When the boy discovered that his life was in danger, he went and hid himself in the church. Next morning, the pastor saw Medutail and asked him where he came from and while he was sleeping in the church. And the boy narrated everything. A few days later, the pastor sent for the fisherman and narrated to him what the boy had told him. After discussion, the pastor asked the fisherman to go with his son, but the boy refused to follow the fisherman. The fisherman then decided that the boy should stay with the pastor. The boy finally stayed with the pastor. Medutail, he grew up and became a successful singer.
Kanana fado shimao Uteshamo
Kanana yange awashimau
Uteshamo Kanana fado shimao Uteshamo
Kanana yange awashimau
Uteshamo Shimana Abun shimango Yesu nenge na yenge mitaturusha Kwa hemba ngunguga Kanana fado shimau Uteshamo
Kanana yange awashimau
Uteshamo Kanana fado shimau Uteshamo
Kanana yange awashimau
Uteshamo chitere mzunge kana napa doshimau uteshamo
kana na yange washimau
uteshamo makana napa doshimau uteshamo
kana na yange washimau
uteshamo Doshimau utea lo shachio ama ogalayo vangu shachiwopa we andoshimana na kwava wambea uyima wangi weje uhingi wa kana napa doshimau